Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to sign up into the Barclays app on your mobile device. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Barclays application. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, go ahead and do so from the App Store or Play Store. Now you want to click on I'm new to Barclays down here. It's going to ask you to go ahead and create a memorable password. So I'm simply going to go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and ask you for your email or your phone number. Then you want to simply go ahead and enter that. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on register for the app right over here. Finally, once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and ask you for your email or password. When you enter that, you're going to get a verification code sent to that email or phone number. And when you simply go ahead and enter that code back into the application, they're going to let you create a password, which will then create your account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.